Hi, this is Shifali Shah, and you're watching me on Screen Indian Express. Home. Bhupi is Vartika's home. He's probably more important, or maybe at least as important as her husband, who's so understanding. He's her pillar uh, when she's working. So, and Niti is someone she's seen grow. So it's almost pride, like watching your prodigy, your child, grow into her own space. And there are some beautiful moments between Niti and Vartika. In fact, the first time they meet, and Niti is DCP now, it's her station, and she gets up because it's Madam Sir, and she offers her the seat. And Vartika's like, no, sit. And she's like, no, like she just keeps standing, and she's like, sit, because she knows, it's your seat, you own it, go sit. At the same time, in Bhupi's cabin, she totally sits on his chair because there is no need to explain anything between the two of them. It's just, it falls into place every single time. One of the finest female ensemble casts I've seen, and it's so wonderful, I cannot tell you. Like, we did 4 interrogations, one day after the other, Niti and Vartika, Rasika and me. And every day we had a new actress in front of us. The first day, I think we started with Meeta ma'am. Then the next 2 days or the third day were these young girls. And every single day we were like, oh my God. It wasn't like, okay, today was good. It was just way above excellence. And we were blown every single day. And what a phenomenal cast. What a cast. And the most beautiful part is everyone's the character, which is very, very important in any show or film. One is the performances, they're magical. 2 is the team coming back. She's coming back from where she was, banished. And 3 is, it's extremely intense and potent, and it's spread across the country, not just Delhi anymore. And it's, the team is very, in its own way, extremely rooted, but the other side is so volatile and high octane. It's an interesting way of seeing the show.